Oh yeah, that's what I've said has been added that with.
Here are my various felting tools and the extra serrata. These are 3-needle ones, and these are single needle. This is some wool that I've already carded, so it's nice and loose and fluffy. And then I, of course, brought just more in the form of roving because I overplan. And then here's the extra serrata. And then, of course, hand tools as well, because you can't do everything with power tools. So this is one of the areas where I had left the hatch open, and I stitched it closed, and then I've been applying more of the pink wool and finishing it.